Hello, dear children. Welcome you all to today's EVS online class. Today, we will discuss on Chapter 14 Means of Transport. Subtopics to cover are Introduction, Importance of Transport, Means of Transport, Different Modes of Transport, Points to remember, and lastly, there is one homework for you. Children, you know that we keep on traveling from one place to another. Any vehicle which we use for traveling is known as means of transport. With the advancement in science, better and quicker means of transport have been made for travel by road, water, and air. In olden days, block carts, boats, horse carriages were the only means of transport. But nowadays, these means of transport are limited to rural areas. In today's world, only a few vehicles are available that have no engines. Otherwise, every vehicle has an engine. These engines need fuel like petrol, diesel, CNG to run. There are some vehicles that are battery operated also to avoid air pollution. We all need to go from one place to another for many reasons, like to reach our place of work, school, offices, factories, etc., to meet our friends and relatives, to go to the market to buy household items, or to go our neighborhood services like bank, hospital, post offices, railway stations, etc., or to far off places during holidays and to migrate from one place to another. Dear children, when we have to go a short distance from our home, we use a cycle, car, or a scooter. If the place is far from our home, we use a bus, train, or an aeroplane. Thus, the vehicles we use depend on how far we have to go and how much money we can spend. Different types of vehicles are used to carry passengers or travelers and goods. There are three modes of transport: land transport, water transport, air transport. The vehicles which travel on land, on road, or on track are called land transport. It is the most common way of traveling. Highways connect major cities. Cars, buses, bikes, cycles, cars, and many more are road transport, and train, metro are the best examples of rail transport. Passenger trains can carry many people over long distances, and goods trains carry goods from one place to another. Nowadays, in big cities, there are a network of underground trains called the metro. So, land transport is of two types: roadways and railways. Water transport is the oldest means of transport. People used to travel from one place to another using logs, small boats on water. Nowadays, people use ships, rafts, steamers for traveling. A large passenger ship can carry thousands of people at one time. The cargo ships can transport grains, goods, and oil all over the world. A submarine travels underwater. The Navy uses it to protect the seas. A place load where ships load and unload passengers and goods is called a port. The fastest way to travel is by air, but traveling by air is costly. Aeroplanes can go very fast and carry hundreds of passengers. Besides aeroplanes, we have helicopters, hot air balloons, and airships as means of air transport. The Wright brothers were the first to build an aeroplane. Astronauts use spacecraft to travel in space. Points to remember: submarine, a ship that travels under sea. Metro, a fast train system in large cities. Port, the place from where ships load and unload. Cargo ship, transport goods all over the world. Highways, main road connecting cities and designed for high speed traffic. Dear children, here is one home activity for all of you. Imagine you are going to a hill station by not using your own vehicles. Make list of all the means of transport you may use to reach your destination. Paste pictures of the modes of transport which you have used in your scrapbook. Thank you for being with me. Have a great day. Stay happy and blessed always.